Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change primary business category and business description in Google Business Profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com business and then you see sign in, so click on it. So we are in business profile and then you see we have two businesses, status, verification required and verified. So we are going to edit primary business category and business description. Now click on it. If you see this, also you see pencil icon, so click on it. Now you see multiple option, edit profile, so click on it. Now business information pop-up open and then you see about your business, you see multiple option and then you see business category and description, so click on it. Now you see primary category. If you want, you can add another category, so it's up to you. So you can change it and then click on save. Now you see save button, now saving and then you see description, so click on it. So you can change this information according to requirement and then click on update. Now you see limit 750. If you want, you can use suggest description section and then click on save. Now description saving, so you can update both information, business category and description according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.